Your recovery doesn't just happen in the physical therapy office, it starts on your plate. To bounce back faster, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients long before you ever head into the operating room. Welcome to My Cold Therapy. Today we're counting down the top 5 anti-inflammatory foods you should stock up on right now to help your body bounce back faster. This is part of our comprehensive surgery prep series where we cover everything from physical gear to internal wellness. If you're looking to supercharge your healing, hit that like button and subscribe. Do you have a favorite healthy recipe or recovery snack you swear by? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's dive right in. So why these foods? When we talk about anti-inflammatory foods, we're usually talking about foods rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help the body manage normal inflammation and repair tissues. They don't replace medications or fix surgical problems, but they can support overall health, which is important going into and recovering from surgery. Number 1 is fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fats, which research links to lower levels of certain inflammatory markers in the body and better heart health. They also provide high-quality protein, which your body needs to maintain muscle and repair tissues after an operation. Eating fish does not guarantee less pain or faster healing, but regularly including fatty fish, if your doctor allows it, can be a helpful part of an overall anti-inflammatory eating pattern. Number 2 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidant compounds that help the body handle oxidative stress and support your immune system. Some surgery nutrition guides encourage antioxidant-rich fruits, including berries and grapes, as part of a healthy, supportive diet. Berries are a healthy choice for most people, but they don't replace any medication. And if you have diabetes or need to watch your blood sugar, your portion sizes still need to be tailored with your healthcare provider.
Quick time out. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, do us a huge favor and hit like and subscribe. It's the best way to ensure you don't miss out on our next deep dive to pain-free living. While you're at it, head over to mycoldtherapy.com to explore our full lineup of medical devices and products. We have everything you need to upgrade your recovery. Got a question on what we covered so far? Drop it in the comments section below. We're there every single day just to help you out. Now let's get back to the video.
Number 3 is dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. They provide vitamins A, C, and K, minerals like magnesium and iron, and a wide range of phytonutrients that support immune function and tissue repair. Several surgery recovery nutrition resources highlight leafy greens for their role in energy, blood health, and overall healing. If you're on blood thinners or have been told to keep your vitamin K intake steady, don't suddenly double or triple your greens without talking to your doctor, because it can affect how your medication works. Number 4 is extra virgin olive oil and other healthy plant fats. Extra virgin olive oil contains natural compounds called polyphenols, which have been associated with lower inflammatory markers when people use it regularly instead of more processed fats. Diet patterns that use olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados are often recommended as anti-inflammatory styles of eating and can also support heart and metabolic health before surgery. These fats are healthy, but they're still high in calories. If you've been advised to watch your weight, fat intake, or if you have gallbladder or pancreatic issues, talk with your doctor or dietitian about how much is right for you. Number 5 is anti-inflammatory spices, especially turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin and ginger contains gingerols, compounds that have been studied for their ability to influence anti-inflammatory pathways in the body. Many pre-surgery nutrition guides suggest using these spices in everyday cooking as part of an overall anti-inflammatory eating pattern. Using turmeric and ginger in food is generally considered safe for most people, but high-dose supplements can thin the blood or interact with medications. Never start supplements without checking with your surgeon or pharmacist first. Here's an example of how these foods might fit into a normal day before surgery. If your healthcare team agrees, breakfast could be a bowl of yogurt topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Lunch might be a big leafy green salad with grilled salmon and an olive oil dressing. Dinner could be baked fish or beans with greens and vegetables seasoned with turmeric and a side of ginger tea. This is just one example, not a prescription. Your needs might be different if you have diabetes, kidney disease, food allergies, or a special pre-surgery diet, so always personalize it with your medical team. Make sure to browse our other recovery guides to ensure you have everything you need for a smooth journey from start to finish. If you have any questions or a specific topic you'd like us to dive into next, let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community. Thanks for watching, and as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.